Hello. Today is another cleanup day. I go to the doctor today and I'm working for Habitat. So thank you for dropping in, and I am decluttering. I do have a doctor's appointment today, so I won't be too long on this video. Just doing my consistent video type thing. I don't know what I can't see myself really blowing up on YouTube, but it's just fun right now. It's good therapy for me, and I get to have a record of what I'm doing and what I got going on since I've been so private most of my life. And so right now I have just they tell you not to look away from the camera. I've been taking my YouTube lessons. They tell you to stay on the camera, be attentive in the eyes of everyone so that they can see you. And I know on my other videos I don't really do that, not at all, but I really can't help it, but I can work on it. I've worked on other things. So what I was showing you at the beginning was one of the calendars I found in my cleanup was the Empire calendar. Everybody was really into Empire those first 2 years. So, I bought a calendar, didn't use it, but I got 2 of them. So that's some of my clutter. Might leave that at the thrift shop. Somebody might like the pictures in it. They're really good pictures in it. They're just giant pictures of everyone, and you see different people in it. And on the back it does give you a picture of each calendar that they have inside. So me and my collection status, I may just go ahead and keep it for maybe putting it online to eBay. I don't know if I'm gonna get on eBay again. eBay just freaked me out so long ago that I was successful at it, but it just became tougher and tougher. So I think you have to be a certain kind of person to be on eBay, kind of like on YouTube. You had to roll with the punches. But at this moment, YouTube seems like it's the best one to actually get online with, to do things with for this, especially if you're older. I just, I have so many stories to tell, and I will get around to it, but I'm still in a state of not being able to get it all clear because I keep thinking about that I have to get this ready by a certain time. I did get a letter from my Habitat person, wonderful person, Jennifer. She told me, she sent an email saying they want my bank statements from January and December. We'll see, January hasn't ended yet, and I'm not going to be able to get that probably until the first week of February. So they want that, and also I've already given them that for last year, but they didn't start last year, so I've got to get it for this year when they do. And she did tell me that it would be between March and April. No specific date yet, but that gives me a full month to do more. I have uncovered all of my plugs so that they can reach them to change all the plugs. And I just dumped out a whole bunch of records again. Just when I think I can't dump anymore, I dumped a full trash can full of them. So they're just the kind of ones that I know that are not going to be any good anymore. Maybe I don't know, but what am I going to do with them? I mean, I can't do everything with them anymore. I'm not spinning records. And so, I'm just going to let them go. Another thing I was thinking about too, I was thinking about going ahead and just changing the name, see if that helps people see me better. I do have a name I want to use, and so I've been updating and reading on YouTube about how to change your name, and apparently it's very easy. A lot of people do it, and so now would probably be the greatest time to do it. It's not like I'm going to lose a lot of people because they're not there. So when you start early like this, I'm on about this is my 11th or 12th video. I'm not sure which one, but I'm still trucking along. I'm going to upload this, take myself to the doctor, and the doctor's going to look at my knee. I had my right knee replaced, and when I had it replaced, it was my second time going to a knee replacement, and the good thing is that I had my other knee replaced years ago when I was at work. So now they've replaced this knee, and they just want to look at it. So I don't have any problems with it. I really don't have any problems with it. I'm so happy about that. Because when you get that knee replaced, when you first go through it, you think the world is coming to an end, and it could for some people. I mean, I've heard people had some bad reactions to knee replacements, but I didn't have any reactions other than being frustrating when I had it done, because you are limited on what you can do. But I quickly found there was a lot I could do with it. One of the things I could do before anybody said anything was drive. So I was a careful driver, so um, I did do that, and it wasn't that quickly afterwards. I had a cousin come in, and she brought me some food and checked on me to make sure I was okay. So now I just go there and let them see that I'm okay, and I guess I'll move on from there. And then hurry up and get this stuff done. In my other room, I've gotten a lot of stuff replaced. Not replaced. Well, after I cleared it up and threw it away, it was it gave me a lot of room in there, so I can get the one outlet in there that is covered up, and it's really covered up, so I can move things to another place to do it. This room will be the last room, but it's junked up because I've been moving things from here to there. The whole house junked up right now. So I'm blessed to have the Habitat people want to work with me and help me. So that's one of the benefits of being older. I don't know if that program's going to still be there after all the upheaval we're having in the new year of 2025, but I'm taking advantage of this now because I don't know how long this will be going on. So I hope everybody's having a good start to your first year. There's a lot going on, so you can't avoid it. I'm on YouTube looking at all of these statements and stuff. It's let's see, recording will be stopped and saved. Incoming call, suspected spam. We're not going to answer that because those suspected spam calls are. Let me block reporting number. Let's say block number. There we go. I'm not sure if this stopped while I was doing that, but I blocked that number on that spam. It comes up and says that, and I do get spam calls that is automatic. It's those kind of spam calls that say that your taxes, you're in trouble with your taxes. It's an automated system, and it just continues to call on different numbers. You know, what company has 30 numbers like this? I've blocked about, it has to be about 20 to 30 spam calls because it comes up on my phone as spam, and it's always accurate. So, but I answer it just to make sure, and it's the same message trying to get you to be involved with some type of tax thing. So I guess they assume every other person has a bad tax situation, so it'll scare them and make them want to do something, but they just call the wrong person. You know, that's not my situation at this time. So what we're going to do, I just want to show you two. I also have some old cassettes. You remember the cassettes? Do anybody use cassettes anymore? No. But I got LL Cool J, Less Than Zero. And what else I got? I don't have my glasses, so I can't really see some of them. The ones that I make, I used to call myself doing a good job of mixing tapes. So I have some of those in here. You know, we all used to have back in the day, have a mixtape that we loved. And if you're a DJ, you got to mix your tapes. So you had the double whammy of a mixtape, you know. And I had some people say I was pretty good at it. I could do the breaking the records on each one, or I could mix them. And I made some good tapes. I had a couple of people at work that just fell in love with it. And a couple of them that I did for them, because they asked for it. And I said, well, let me just give them the deluxe on this. And they were so surprised and happy. So that was a good point there. And I got some old videos. I don't even know if anybody... I got Tom Clancy here. I got a cop video. Remember the cops? And I had Dazed and Confused. I don't think I ever watched that one, but I know what it's about. And also Paramedics. I think that's with the Fat Boys or the Big Boys or whatever they were. So I've got a lot of that kind of stuff, and it's kind of dusty. So I don't know if I'm going to keep them or if I'm going to throw them away. That looks like something that some people at the flea market might like. Not the flea market, the what is it? The thrift store. Yeah, I'll probably give it to the thrift store. Well, anyway, thank you for dropping in. I'm headed to get my knee looked at, and I hope you have a good day today. Take care now.